Hi, welcome again to the VS 22. In this video, I will explain the using of new button and copy a new button on the item module. Open the VS 22 by double click. Type your password 22 and press enter. Click item. Here the new button and here the copy and new button. What is the difference is if you click the new button, the data will be clear or blank, so you need to input or enter the whole of the information of new item. Try to click undo. If you click new, all the item will be remain or keep as stay as before. You just need to make some editing for the data. For example, I have two new items that I want to add to the system. The first is Gia Herbal Tea Drink 300 milliliter times 24 can cartoon pack. The second is also have similar Gia Herbal Tea Zero Sugar Heritage case 24 times 300 milliliter, and so we have two item here that we need to add to the system. I have written both of these items. First, we will to add the first item to the system. Click new button and first input the item name. You may type or just copy the data, edit, copy and paste here by Ctrl V, and then short name, just select and click edit, then copy, and then Ctrl P to paste the short name. Click unit of measure. At the first unit name, you can click unit 1 and select the can, because the smallest packages is can, and then select the second unit name, press unit 2 and select the carton 24, and then type the buy price. Here the buy price is about 18.90. Click C14 to show or display the calculator. To set the sell price, I just want to add the $2 the buy price. For this example, I will enter 20.49 and the sell price for first unit or can, for example, I will set 1 and then press save. For the second item, because have the similar information, we can use the button copy and new. Press this button and then just edit the or delete the text that you don't need. Here the Gia Herbal tea. Maybe I just copy Zero Sugar Heritage. Edit, copy, and paste here. Zero Sugar Heritage. Maybe the surname and then by price it is about 16.06. maybe the sale price I will set to 18. Just click here. Maybe the first unit sale price I just set to 0.9. This is just an example. And then if you need to input the barcode, you can open this item code by click Take ID button, Take ID, and select manually, and then copy the barcode and paste here. You can paste by Ctrl V. If the data you enter is complete, just click the Save button. Try to see the previous data or next data. So all item. Here the both of item that we already create. This is the way to add a new item that have a lot of similarity data to the system. To close this module, just click close button, and to quit, just click quit button.